all aspire to make money out of the financial markets, right? And for that, we need to open a trading account. So let's dive deeper. Trading, it's basically the buying and selling of different instruments in the financial markets. A prop trading firm gives you simulated funds to trade different instruments, and instead of risking your own cash, you are trading on the firm's simulated capital, with only providing a small subscription fee, and all the profits that you're making, you're split with the firm. Alright, so let's break it down. First of all, if for example you deposit $50 into a brokerage account, first of all, it's your own money that is at stake, and you only have those $50 to trade with. On the other hand, with a prop firm, you just need to sign up and buy a challenge account. So you can as well buy a FundedNext challenge for only $32 and gain access to $5,000 in simulated funds. So it's way more buying power, so way more profits that you can make for a lower risk. Prove your skills to pass the challenge phase, and then you can trade on a simulated environment with controlled risk while following the rules. And if you make profits, you keep 80% of your profits. That sounds like a win-win situation, am I right? And the best part is that you can trade a variety of instruments, like for example forex, indices, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. So what do you gain with trading on a prop firm? Basically a lot. First of all, you get to sharpen your trading skills and prove that you are a profitable trader. Then you get access to a bigger capital to trade on and keep 80% of the profits, and then you as well earn a trading certificate to boost your trading credibility as a professional trader. Now let's talk about payouts. While most of the prop firms are taking their time with payouts, FundedNext pay you under 24 hours, or you'll get a $1,000 extra for completely free on top of your initial payout. We designed FundedNext to fit every trader's need with flexible and structured rules to make you a professional trader. We have as well our own MetaTrader licenses, and you can trade with up to $300,000 of simulated capital. So you want to be a professional trader? FundedNext got you covered. So if you're considering your first prop firm challenge, sign up to FundedNext, buy your challenge, and don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you soon.